Welcome back. Today I'm about to prepare kangaroo meat, and I'm going to prepare with my homemade raspberry sauce. So go nowhere, let's have some fun. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure the fillets are out of the refrigerator for about at least 30 minutes. Now you start applying some sea salt, pepper. Be generous, flip them around, and apply the same process. I'm using fine grain sea salt, but you can use any type of salt. It doesn't matter. You have to use cast iron, high heat. Make sure it's hot before you put your olive oil. Put the fillets, cook them for 1.5 minutes in one side. Flip them, and now is the time to add special mixed butter, which I'm going to have a link in my description on how to make it. It's very easy. It will add a fantastic flavor to the fillets. Be a little bit generous with the butter too, and you start putting some of that oil on top of that side of the fillet. And this side you practically are cooking for 2 minutes. Remember, one side for 1.5 minutes, the other side for 2 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes. And as it's resting, you prepare some mushrooms, which is in essence was mushrooms and some of that butter. Cook them for about 2 minutes. And that's it. In my description, you're going to see a link for my homemade raspberry sauce. And this was a fantastic complement to the kangaroo meat.